Saving money feels safe. It feels like the smart thing to do.
We're taught early to save every dollar. Save first and success will follow. So we believe saving alone is enough. That belief feels responsible and comfortable.
We wait, thinking time will do the work. But money doesn't grow just by waiting.
Days pass. Nothing changes. This is where confusion starts. You did everything right, but results are missing.
So we believe saving alone is enough. That belief feels responsible and comfortable.
More waiting feels safer than risk. But safety has a hidden cost.
Time keeps moving forward. Your money stays behind.
Prices quietly rise every year. Your savings buy less without warning. This is inflation at work. It steals value slowly and silently. Saving protects money, but it does not multiply it. Rich people understand one rule. Money must work, not rest.
There is a difference between saving and building wealth. Most people never learn it.
Saving feels safe. Growth feels uncertain.
Idle money slowly dies. Busy money grows.
Invested money creates opportunity. Saved money only waits.
This is why savers stay stuck. They protect money, but never expand it.
Saving is step one, not the finish line.
Wealth requires action, not just discipline.
Rich people learn how money works. Poor people only learn how to store it.
Growth needs systems, income, assets, and leverage.
At first, progress looks tiny. That's where most people quit.
Growth rewards patience, not fear.
Over time, compounding takes over. Money finally starts working for you.
This is when mindset shifts from saver to builder.
Same person, different financial thinking.
Wealth isn't about luck. It's about direction. Saving protects your past. Investing builds your future.
If you only save, you stay safe. If you grow, you get rich.